What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Quickly going to go over Matic. I have to run out of the house here. But the interest rate hike was released and we saw some volatility as to be expected. So currently Matic is sitting at 77 cents, sitting at 2.79 on the day. We're seeing a market cap of 6.7 billion, 24-hour volume 424 million. Now we were expecting a 25 basis point hike, and that's what we've got, but we have seen some volatility here. So what I'm looking at is that we're putting in a wave 4. This could have been your wave 3 low, and now you've put in an ABC correction into a wave 4, looking to come down in a wave 5. Now if we do come up and break 0.791, then what we'd have to be looking at is the wave 5 was already in right here, and now we're going to push up in a wave 2. So if we were to come up and break that level, and you wanted to measure a wave 2, take your favorite retracement from the start of the first wave down to the bottom of the wave 1, because this would be a 5-wave move complete. And then basically you would target in between the 0.5 at 0.81 and the 0.786 at 0.88 for a wave 2 pullback. But right now what I'm looking at here is that this is a wave 4 and we're still looking to come down into a wave 5 to complete a wave 1. I have to move all these over, and then see a wave 2 pullback come down in a 3, 4, and a 5, which would bring you down to your wave 3 target of 45 cents, as I do believe that we're coming down in a wave 5. This was a wave 4 pullback, and now we are beginning the subwaves of the larger wave 5 to the downside to bring you down to about 18 to 25 cents in that range for our friend Matic. That's what I'm looking at here. In the short term, if we do see a rejection off the 0.382, perfect retracement. As you can see, we flew right up into very close to overbought. The money flow is sky high. So if we get rejected here, we come down. We do have a double bottom. So if we were to break out to the upside, that double bottom would take you all the way up here to about 82 cents, which would signify to us that we're putting in that wave 2 pullback instead of a wave 4. Either way, I do think you will see continuation to the downside. The bullish scenario, all of this was a wave 1 and we're going through an ABC correction, looking to complete a wave 1 to the downside, wave 2 pullback, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5, to put in a wave 2 pullback before pushing up into wave 3, signifying to us that the bottom is in for Matic. Not what I'm looking at here. I don't think it's a probable scenario with Bitcoin coming down to 11 to 13K in my opinion, but anything is possible. So I always go over both scenarios. That's basically it. I have to run out of the house. Big shout out to the Discord. Over 2,000 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. Completely free if you sign up to Bybit. And if you email me your sign up email to Bybit, you get free access to the Discord. And at the $10 membership, you can get my exact entries, exits, and take profits, as well as my chart analysis. For $10 a month, sign up to the Patreon. Check out my full length tutorial on Bybit. And I'll see you in the next video. All right, much love. Take care.